Hey guys, in this video I'll be teaching you how to make a QR code scanner app. Okay, so now um, here I'll just remove the title and the status bar as well. So first, what you'll have to do is take a button here, keep the width as fill parent. Okay, uh, whatever customization you want to do, you can do. Right, so font bold. We'll keep the font size as so guys, as I said, you can do all your customizations. So here what I'll be doing is like I will keep the font size as 40%. Okay, and here you can see, so the font size. Okay, so how much ever you want to keep, you can keep, and I will keep it over here. Scan. Okay, scan. All right, so now here once it's done, so it should look something like this. Here you will have to put a, okay, it's not a switch, it's a text box. Why? Yeah, so just drag and drop a text box over here, and keep the width as fill parent. So that's it. So here the hint, just remove the hint. All right, so now um so what this app basically will do is I will tell you guys. So go to sensors, barcode scanner. Here use external scanner. That means that you should install another scanning app. Okay, so you just have to disable that. Okay, that is also your choice. Okay, so here what this app basically will do is, once you click on this button, it will start scanning. After scanning the text, it will put over here. You'll have to copy it, and then you can yeah, then only you can use it. Or the, like, if you are scanning a QR code for the link or stuff, then you'll have to copy it, go to Google, then paste it, then only you can go to that website or whatever you want to do. Okay, so this, it's just not for barcode, it works for even QR code, and both QR code and barcode. Okay, so I'll tell you the code. So we are done with designing. Let's go to the code. So guys, soon I'll be teaching how to make a QR code scanner, which will be helpful for for like shops and stuff. So when this button dot click here, go to barcode scanner 1, do scan. All right, so yeah, APK for this app will be in the description below, or AIA, any one of them I'll put it, guys. Okay, actually I think it's better to put APK because it's very simple code is there. Barcode scanner 1, after scan, set text box 1 dot text to get result. Yeah, here keep your cursor on that. Okay, so yeah, I think we just have to do one more small thing over here. So first go to user interface, go to label, put it over here, font bold. Okay, so the text, I will tell you what is the text. Alright guys, so what I had typed is, after scanning, you can copy the text, from the text box above. Okay, instead of that, you can also use a notifier, which will be good. Okay, so yeah, that's it, we are done with the code. So let's test this app. So guys, here's my app. So this is the text box. Okay, so you'll have to click on scan over here. Okay, so now guys, I don't have a QR code. To scan this, you just need a perfect lighting and perfect it should be stable. So here I have this QR code which I'll be using, as I don't have a sorry, it's I have using a barcode. Okay, so I don't have a QR code actually for now. So here you can see, so this is the QR code, sorry, it's this is the barcode's number. Okay, so you can copy this, and here you can paste it again. Okay, so if you are using a QR code and like that has a link and stuff, you can do it like that. So guys, that's it for this simple video. Thanks for watching.